The all-new Genesis GV70 debuted in the 2023 model year, with an energized variation appearing in the spring. Though no main release date has been revealed for the 2024 design, we anticipate it to be a carryover. Debuting to the general public during the 2022 Leaders A Automobile program, the Amaze GV70 stands for one more step toward a lasting future for Genesis. The firm's intent is to be all-electric by 2030. This is the third electrical vehicle in the Genesis schedule. Featuring a large inside, the Amaze GV70 has been assured a host of innovation features that will be unique to the EV. However, we have no verification on what such technology may include. Given that the Amaze GV70 is sharing a platform with its gas-powered brother or sister, we expect it to come with at the very least a similar interior design to the current GV70, which features a streamlined and also ventilated interior. Standard safety attributes on the 2023 GV70 consist of dead spot surveillance, lane following help, as well as front/rear accident evasion alert, plus a safe departure caution system and vehicle highlight beams, while a clever cruise control system with highway driving assist, lane keeping aid, as well as a chauffeur interest monitor will certainly be optional functions. Every GV70 comes with HD, satellite, and also 2-band radio, with smartphone mirroring and Genesis connected services regulated through a 10.25-inch touchscreen with navigating. Advanced versions and above appreciate a 16-speaker vocabulary stereo, and also the Sport Prestige take advantage of a 12.3-inch 3D digital tool cluster. We expect common features on the energized GV70 to mirror those discovered in other Amaze Genesis models, the G80 as well as GV60. Several of these features consist of 12.3-inch HD screens, an offered head-up display screen, Genesis next-gen infomercial system, as well as an all-new infotainment system. We also anticipate Genesis to continue with one-of-a-kind features such as face acknowledgement to unlock and also fingerprint verification to begin in the 2024 model. Under the hood, the 2023 GV70 is available in the choice of two engines for the gas model. You can pick the common 2.5 liters gas engine that generates 300 horsepower and also 311 pounds-to-foot of torque, or the 3.5 liters twin-turbo V6 with results of 375 horsepower and 391 pounds-to-foot of torque. EPA estimates for the gas-powered GV70 reach 24 miles per gallon integrated for the 2.5 liters engine, as well as 21 miles per gallon incorporated for the 3.5 liters twin-turbo. The energized GV70 is approximated to have an all-electric variety of 236, with a battery efficient in getting to 80% charge in simply 18 minutes from 10%. We expect the energized GV70 Genesis EV will certainly be available with a 429 horsepower performance AWD EV motor, much like its 2023 sibling.